Hello, I'm Carrie. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you want to see how I got this super defined twist out, please stay tuned and keep on watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Alright, my hair is blown out because I gave myself a trim, but you don't have to blow dry your hair to start off with this style. I'm just starting out by parting the back section of my hair with this pick because I use this pick with everything. And I'm just mixing my hair with plain water. I like reusing this bottle because I like the way it sprays. And I'm using the dimming brush to make sure my hair is detangled. Now for this twist out, I'm just using two products, which is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip, and then I'm using some Eco Gel, and I'm going to apply that to the back section of my hair. I'm going back in with the dimming brush. I already have the back section split in half. Then I'm going to split that section into 2 equal parts and begin to twist. I do twist my hair kind of tight for more definition, and I brush out the ends to make sure everything is nice and smooth, and then I coil my hair at the ends. When I got finished with my hair, I ended up having 19 twists. Now that my hair is all twisted up, I'm going to take the twists and stretch them across my head using some hairpins. And the reason why I do that is because it lets my hair dry in a stretched out state, and it also takes the puffiness out of my roots. To preserve the style at night, all I did was put on a satin cap before I went to bed. It's the next day and my twists are completely dry. I already took out all the hairpins, and now I'm just going to untwist my hair, and all I do is find a place to pull them apart. Now that I took out all my twists, I'm going to go back in and separate. Sometimes when I'm separating my hair, it can cause a little frizz, so you'll see me twirl the ends of my hair so it can curl back up. Now with the pick, I'm going to lift up my roots and I'm going to fluff out my hair to give it a little bit more shape. Just a little bit more eco around the edges and we are done. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all consider subscribing to my channel. You see me doing my little happy dance because it's one of the best twist outs I had in a while. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. May your future twist outs be great, and I will talk to y'all later.